Welcome to the top-out ceremony for the new YISD Career and Technical Education Center. Today we celebrate the placement of the final steel beam of the major renovation and reconstruction of our new campus.
This is a very unique facility. It's a Career Tech Ed Center. It's intended and designed to emulate what our students can expect in the workforce in this global economy. It has programs that allow students to go directly from high school with a high school diploma and an earned certificate right into the workforce. Looking at a real estate program, cosmetology, culinary arts, welding, architectural, engineering programs. It's a wide array for all interests, mechanics, diesel, that type of thing.
This is something, honestly, I didn't picture in my career. But it's happening, it's here in the middle of my career, so I'm going to enjoy this for the next 11, 12 years before I retire.
The students are excited, they can't wait for it. Of course, the underclassmen are the ones that are going to take advantage of this building. So
this is a brand new building and we're going to have so many more capabilities as far as like what we can do with the technology. I know as far as me, I'm in architecture and engineering and we're already working on getting new equipment so that we were better prepared to do new things.
Our architecture program got to design that, so we got to put our vision in there with a meeting space, a 3D printing studio. It's part of us. It's a vision. We always talk about the reality in the classroom that in the future you're going to see how all these buildings are going to be doing, but the future is now. It's happening now. We got to design it, and they're going to see it, and they're going to see it this year.